Okay, hello guys. I'm back with my sister,
Hello.
and we are doing another tutorial on the game. So let's see what we have so far. So the cat's gonna go to 0, 0, and if we press the right arrow key, it moves right. Press the left arrow key, faces the other way, and moves left. So this is a bit boring. It's just the cat moving on the screen. Nobody really want to play that. So we're going to add gravity to this. So let's go to events, let's do a when flag clicked, and what do you think we should put, Eva?
Not really sure.
Okay, we're going to put a forever loop, and we're going to put an if and then statement. And what do you think we need to do, Eva? Because we don't have any platform to stand on. So we draw a platform. We're going to draw a platform. So let's create a new sprite and go to the costumes, the costume editor, and let's draw a new sprite.
Yeah, but what kind of setting are we thinking? What did you say? Sorry. Sorry, what did you say? Oh, that's cool. So that's our platform, and that's the cat.
Alright, okay, so we're back, and this is the platform, and it might not look like much, but this is what we're going to use for now. This is not really the most humane way of doing gravity, but you can do it this way. So, as you can see, I'm putting a touch color uh, sensing statement. So what this does is that it keeps repeating what's inside here until it touches the color. So what we want it to do, just change this. So over here, if you see this pick from the background, then you press that. Now you have this thing over here. You can go slightly onto the top of the platform. We just want the black area. There, over there. Click that. Okay, now you have this black color over here. Okay, let's use that. So if touching the color black, until touching the color black, we are going to make it move downwards. So we're going to do change Y by, let's say, -2. Okay, so let's try that. Okay. Sorry, that was a kind of mistake. It's not supposed to be if touching color that, because if we touch the color, then that means we're going to go down. We're not going to do that. Yeah, what we need to is repeat until, repeat until touching color black. So let's try that. There. Now we have gravity. Isn't that cool? I think it's pretty cool. The next thing we're going to do is jumping. We're going to do jumping. Okay, so we don't want to put it into the same forever loop of over here, and I'll show you why. So let's try that. Let's get this if statement out, and let's put an if else statement since we're using another command. We're using the left arrow key, the spacebar. Let's put an if statement over there, and let's do a key space pressed. Then we're going to change x by Wait, no, not change x. Sorry. We're going to change y by 2, let's say. Okay, so we've pressed this. Yes, we need to make this bigger than this, otherwise it's just cancelling out the jumping. Let's try that. There we go. Now I can jump. So as you can see, if I move, I can't jump anymore. It's a bit frustrating. So that is why I do not want to put the space into the same forever loop as the right and left arrows. Okay. So let's get this out. Let's get this out as well. Go this away. This over here. Okay, let's put an if statement over there. And put this command into it. And sensing. Okay. So now this doesn't run because there is no event over there. So let's put a forever loop. Let's do events and we're flat click. So now let's try it. So move left to right, we can move left to right. Now we can jump while moving. We can jump while moving, since this is different forever loops. So that means it calculates differently from this one. If we are doing this one, then we press the left arrow, then it's going to do the left arrow. If you press the right arrow, then it's going to do the right arrow. It might not get enough time to get to the space while you're doing the right arrow because it counts down from here. It does the code up to down, so that's why. Okay, so this is basically how gravity works and how it works in Scratch. Don't know what else we need to do. Let's make some platforms actually. Let's go here. Let's paint a new sprite. Okay, let's make it this color as well. We don't want to be inconsistent. Oops. Selecting let's make it square. Okay, so let's make this a bit smaller. And why I said that making the gravity like this is not the most humane way is that this also, on the bottom, it also has a black outline. So we need to change that. We need to go to costumes, and we need to select this. We need to select this, and we are not going to have an outline. Oops. We're not going to have an outline. Okay? So this, we're not going to have an outline. Okay, so now this is just this. Now, why I chose black is that it's easy to see and it's easy to do as well. So if we just do black, let's put a little bit on the top. Maybe a bit too much, but we'll see about that. So that's what it is on the top. Let's move this down a bit because the cat can't jump that high. Okay. Now let's make the cat jump higher actually, because it can't get onto that platform. Let's make it jump 10, let's say. Oops, 10. Okay. Now jump 10. Yes. Now, as you can see, when I'm pressing spacebar, I can keep on jumping. Keep on jumping. Just keep on jumping like that. That's a big problem, actually. Alright, hello again. I'm sorry about that. I may have changed some parts of this. So let me just go through it. So this is the event. This is the... Okay, there's these things called variables. I made a new variable called space pressed. So this counts how many times the spacebar has been pressed. So first it's set to 0 because we haven't pressed the spacebar yet. Then forever loop, and if key space pressed, and I got this and from a place called the operators. Over here you can have the and, you can have multiplication, plus, minus, divide, or like random stuff, comparing, and all sorts of stuff. So we are going to I'm gonna repeat what I did. So over here it repeats 12 times by changing the y 10 by 10, and then sets the key space to 1. Actually, I'm gonna put this up here to make it easier. Put it up there, and then it waits until the not key space pressed, and then it's gonna set the key space pressed to 0 again. So it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, so let me show you how it works. So we went from 0, 0. Okay, as you can see there, we were going up, and then we're going down. Going up, and we're going down. Going down pretty slowly, actually. Going up, and we're going down. Going up, and we're going down. Going up, and we go down. Let me show you something. We're going to do this in the next video, but let me just show you something. We can go through the platform. We can go through the platform. That's not very good. Let's look. We can go through the platform over here. That's not great. We're going to do that in the next video though, so stay tuned. For now, it's a goodbye from me, and thank you for watching.